everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to have a realtor that has construction training on your side throughout the process from start to finish. I can't stress that enough, because let's face it, if you purchase a house that has a lot of defects after you close, eventually that's going to be on you financially. So you want to minimize that, and those defects can cost you hundreds of dollars. It could cost you thousands of dollars, probably more so thousands of dollars, to be honest. And if you're unsure about that, I suggest call or contact some roofing companies, siding companies, stucco companies, HVAC, electricians, framers, drywall companies, whatever it may be, and you'll be amazed how fast thousands of dollars can just go like that. And whether you're having a house built from start to finish, which could take as long as 12 months, or it's a new inventory house that's completed, or it's a used resale house, you always want to have a realtor on your side that has an understanding of construction defects. Because if you pick out a realtor purely based on their hype videos, that's not doing anything for you financially down the road. So just keep that in mind. And of course, my service is free to you because the builder does pay for it. Please check out the video at the end for more information about that. My goal is to help my buyers purchase homes that have as little defects as possible. So let's take a look at this house. I'm over at Windwater, and this community is from Mattamy, and they are building around here. They're building a lot. This is the Red Rock. I don't think I've ever seen the Red Rock before. It's a hot day, a sunny day here. I think we're at like 87 degrees right now or something like that, or 86. It's not too humid, so at least that's good. Let's go inside and have a look.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
Okay, taking off the sunglasses and the hat. Oh, that feels better. When the hat comes off, it just feels so good. It's so cool in here. All right. So we got a flex room off to the right. And to the left. Oh, this is kind of spacious feeling, very high ceilings. So we got a bedroom. Very nice. I like the stuff that's up here, all the sports stuff. And we got another bedroom at the front of the house. This is a large room too. This room's no joke. I'm off in the corner. You can see just how big it is. And again, your full bathroom. I think we passed it. Let's continue this way and see what we see. Oh wow, this is a large laundry room. Look at that. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this particular model before. Although at this point in my real estate career, it's you know, these homes are starting to look so similar, because I have literally hundreds of videos of these, and I've seen probably thousands. This is really nice. This is big, and you could see the size of the island. Look at that. This is a big room. This island is gigantic. Oh, I'm loving this right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's great. I mean, this room. Look at that. It is. It's a fantastic home theater room, and they put speakers on the ceiling. Now, I mean, I wouldn't do this unless you're going to use some speakers for Atmos on the ceiling. That's perfectly fine, but not like this. Those speakers, these speakers shouldn't be here. They should be over here on the wall. But the room itself is just a fantastic shape. It's a really great rectangle. Yeah, just like over here, if you put your, I wonder if I would even, no, actually I wouldn't. If I was going to set up this room, TV would be here. Because over here, you could put all your speakers, you could put some floor standing speakers, and not have to worry about closing the door. Now, if your couch is here and you're sitting here, you could put a speaker right up there and a speaker right up there. So those will be your rear speakers. And then for your side speakers, you can put one here and then have one kind of like over here, like above the door frame or something like that. So that would be my 7.1 to 11.1 setup. Okay, enough about home theater. I don't know if many people even care about that sort of thing, but if you did care about it, then that was some good insight. All right, so let's continue with the Red Rock. Yeah, huge covered patio. That's a big one. So we got, looks like a bedroom on each side. And I would think a master bedroom at this point. Yeah, look at that. Big, big, big. 3 bigs or 4 bigs master bedroom. As you can even see, like they have furniture next to the bed. And you can see there's more space. So there's 2 closets that you walk into. And here is your toilet in the closet room. So this house is kind of like, I feel like this is like on the border of a luxury house. Oh, so this bedroom has its own attached bathroom. Look at that. So essentially you have 2 master bedrooms. And I know this can be called an en-suite sometimes, but you know, again, let's face it, in small homes, many of the small homes, the master bedroom bathroom only has 1 sink, just like this. Yeah, it's a large bedroom too. Here's your closet. So let's talk about this house as I walk out. I really, really like when there's a bathroom attached to at least a second bedroom that's not the master bedroom. This room's really great because it's just so big. Extremely large island. And the home theater room just totally sells it for me. If I was going to buy a single-story house, it would absolutely have to have an awesome, awesome home theater room like this. Yeah. And then, let's go down here. Big pantry. Look at that. So I've got this large pantry, and I don't think I went out to the garage.
Garage door.
Oh, it's a tandem. It's tandem. I love a tandem garage because it is a 3-car garage, but you just don't have, you know, 3 doors. So it's probably better for people that maybe you have like an RV trailer and you just want to store it, or you have a car that you don't always drive, or potentially you want to turn the rear part of the garage, the tandem, into just some kind of storage or a gym. So just, you know, something to keep in mind. And then this room over here, which is set up as a dining room, this is a good room. It's a good house, I like this. Laundry room was huge. And then you got these 3 rooms in front of the house. I'm about to lose my grip on the camera. I feel it slipping. There we go. Switch arms. That's always the simple solution. And please check out my website at richnotohomes.com and check out this page, which I'll put a link at the bottom in the description, so you can see the home prices and the homes that are for sale. I do appreciate everyone stopping by to watch this. Check out richnotohomes.com. Thank you again. Have a great day. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the builder, free to you. Please contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. If you email them, call them, text them, go to the sales office, walk the models, anything that they can match up at the time of contract, they may say you cannot use a realtor. Please don't contact the builder and ask what their policies are either, because that would be your first contact. You see how this works? When I went to purchase my first house, I was given terrible advice. Everybody told me I had to pay for a realtor, which is just not true. I had no realtor and it was terrible. From start to finish, it was exhausting. I was treated poorly at sales offices, and after I signed my contract, the salesperson basically vanished on me. It was just a terrible experience. When I purchased my second house, I knew I needed a realtor, so I started searching. I encountered top sellers who seemed impressive, but they were just high pressure sales. They were telling me to go to the builder, tell them I'm your realtor. When you pick out the house you want, contact me and I'll come down and help you. They would show me 2 homes, 3 homes, ask me which one do I want to buy. Many of them couldn't even respond properly to an email, which is much like when I help my buyers to find resale homes. Many of the realtors that are selling these homes, it's like they don't even read what you wrote. So my realtor ended up being a new realtor. He was loyal. He went with me to like 20 builders that I picked out. He wasn't selling me out to sales associates. He wasn't selling me out to other realtors. He wasn't selling me out to resale home sellers. He was no doubt on my side. So like most realtors, the realtor that I picked had no construction training, no certification. At the time, I didn't even consider it. As we went from house to house with new construction, with resales, there were times I had questions and he didn't know, or he was kind of guessing, and he would at least tell me he's just guessing. The information that I received was incorrect. I realized that home inspectors are there to look over a house and find issues with them. But let's face it, the home inspector is with you for 2 hours, 3 hours looking at the house that you're interested in buying. Your realtor is with you, if the realtor is a good realtor, for potentially 6 months, 12 months while a new construction house is being built. Your realtor is going to be the one that's going to be there with you when you're dealing with rude, obnoxious construction managers that are lying to you when the home is built incorrectly, and they just want you to just go away. They want you to just sign, say the house is okay, or it's going to be passed off the warranty, and that's it. So having a realtor without construction background is not a good idea. And if I was going to be buying a house in another state, even though I have a home inspector's license and I am trained, I would still want to find a realtor that is construction trained, because the more eyes, the better. Everybody's going to spot something different. I would even potentially hire 2 inspection companies, or maybe more, to look over a house. Just some quick tips. Just want you to understand that I believe in a comprehensive realtor service where I could answer and guide and look at home inspection reports and have an understanding of what's going on and how to help my buyers best. Thanks for watching this. Back to the video.